Hey guys, so I am coming at you with new makeup on, and this is not a makeup application video because I'm going to try eyebrow lamination on myself. A little nervous. I've watched a couple of videos on this and I'm like, why can't I do this? Like, why not? Like, to have my brow hairs actually stick up. And yes, I have recently had my brows microbladed, but I think if I were to have the hairs, my actual hairs like stick up, because I have a lot of hair, if I were to have them stick up and have like a nice shape to them, I think it would just give it like that extra like just touch of like 3D brow-esque. I'm all about giving my brows as much dimension as possible. So I purchased this kit on Amazon. It's actually a lash kit. I said that wrong. Rewind. It's actually a lash lift kit. DIY eyelash perm kit. So I don't know, I might end up going in and trying the lash lift as well, but I'm going to start with the brows first because I feel like that's a little more like foolproof, right? I'm not getting things like right next to my eyes because my eyes are a little irritated right now, so I don't want to like, I don't know. We'll see how the brows go. If I feel like the brows go well, then maybe I'll dive into the eyelashes, because I also have some lash tint as well. So I'm thinking I could like combine the lash lift with the lash tint. So we'll see how this goes, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. They say first off you are supposed to like glue your eyebrow hairs up, okay? Because see, when I brush my hairs up, you can see I've got quite a bit of hair. And then I would like, yeah, anyways, we're gonna glue the hairs up. So the kit does have an eyelash glue with it. I've heard iffy things about this glue. So I'm gonna work in sections and I'm gonna just apply the glue. And I have a little disposable spoolie here. We're just gonna comb straight up. Oh, this is working fine so far. Let's not jinx ourselves here. But I think we're good. They say you want to take your time with this step because this is how your brows are going to end up laying. So now that I have them like all brushed up, now I'm going to manipulate the shape. Kind of brush them like up inside swept. How's that? Oh yeah. You can really like see the like the microblade strokes. I should zoom you in. What am I thinking? How selfish am I? But look at the difference that you can see in my two brows just by doing that. That's crazy. I just hope that like my end result with this is just that they like lay really nicely and I don't have to rely on like eyebrow gel as much. So I like the look of like kind of more straight up right here in front, and then the further back you get kind of more that side swept. Whoosh. I have to say like one of my biggest pet peeves too is when anybody else touches my eyebrows is when they trim the hairs. I'm like, no, you're gonna trim them too short. Don't trim them too short. Just let me do it, okay? Just let me do it. I can do it myself. So the next step is you take this perming solution, okay? Guys, I've never done this, so I am in here with you all the same.
What the am I saying? I don't know. It's a Monday. It's late. And I'm tired. I'm so sleepy. My alarm went off this morning and I slept through it. I haven't done that in forever. Yeah, that's a good one.
So I'm just going to take this little Q-tip here. It's leopard print Q-tip. How fun is that? So I'm just going to take some of that perming solution. Does this have a cap? It has a cap on it. And the cap, it's sitting here going, why is it going in? Take the cap off, genius. It's like a safety cap, I'm sure. That like, that stinks. Woo! Probably shouldn't sniff it. Yeah, it's like one of these caps, like an innie, okay? So I'm going to grab some of that perming solution on the Q-tip and I'm going to apply it to the brow hairs and brush them up like so. Ease. Ease. And I really want this to work and to soak in. So, up you go, my friends. Up you go. Yes. Saturate. Other side. This is not like burning or anything. It just has a lovely smell. I'm gonna put the innie back on here. Yep, the innie cap is on. It's good. I mean, I don't want it to spill out and to waste any of it. Okay, so now I'm supposed to apply it for 8 to 12 minutes, and I'm gonna put some, well, I say like put some saran wrap over them, kind of like hold them and let it heat up, you know, really do its job. And I'm out of saran wrap. Not going to the store. Took a snack bag, okay, a Ziploc snack bag, and cut it. And this is what I'm doing because, you know, I'm crafty like that. So, I'm gonna set my timer. I really want to make sure I have enough time to bake and get this going here. So, Siri, set a timer for 12 minutes. 12. Thanks, babe. Okay. And I'm just gonna, you know, chill here. I'm gonna watch some Hallmark Channel because it's November and Christmas movies are on, you know. Not really in the Christmas spirit just yet. But that's what's on the Hallmark Channel. So, I'm going to watch some. I will see you in 12 minutes. So, it's been 12 minutes. Okay. So now I'm going to peel this away. Stinky. Very, very stinky. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take off, or attempt to take off, just that top layer of that perming solution. Wispy, wispy, wispy. Now I'm going to take number 2, fixation. Again, it's got that little cap, the innie cap. And again, apply this to the brows. This is your like neutralizing solution. I don't really know what that means. I'm guessing it means that it like sets it into place. This eyebrow is always my better eyebrow, by the way. I think that's obvious here. This one I'm always trying to make up for. And then taking my second piece of DIY saran wrap, aka snack bag, by Ziploc. Thank you for coming to the rescue. Siri set a timer for 12 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all in 12. Again, supposed to leave it on 8 to 12. I want maximum potential and outcome here. So 12 minutes.
You gotta tell me what you're gonna do your eyebrows first.
Dear, I've gotta go. I have stuff sitting on them. They're gonna burn off.
Alright, I'll see you when I get home.
Okay. It's been 12 minutes, y'all. So, what I'm doing now is we're gonna take the Ziploc baggie off. That one doesn't smell like the other step did, okay? Next, what we do is I'm going to grab the number 3 nutrition oil. Oh no, that hair kind of like went that way. What happened? Why you do that? Oh no. Now that my brows have received some nutrition, look at those brows. Now the next step is to grab some cleanser, and we're gonna do some clean. Going through my Q-tips, using lots of them. Brows. Wow, brows. Nobody is trimming my brow hairs for me again. Never again. No more. We're growing out the brows. You cannot touch my brow hair. You can microblade me, but you can't touch my brow hairs. Look how much longer this brow is. I have to trim it myself just to get me through my grow out period. Oh, I forgot to turn the TV on mute. Welcome Christmas. The girl's literally going, oh, la, 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 la. Just to be extra sure, I'm just gonna grab this makeup remover wipe and wipe them clean. Get all the excess residues off. So they kind of like whoosh. Ooh, I like that. Yes, we like that. I want to make sure that they're like actually stay like this while they're dry. So I'm gonna grab my fan and we're just gonna dry my brows. Full blast. Full blast. Lucky. Guys, I think it worked. Which this side is like, I just want them to like stay in like a upward-ish kind of shape here. And now I just want to see what it looks like when I fill them in after this. So I'm gonna take my NYX Precision brow pencil. Definitely looks like Fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, but Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Ha! I think I definitely am digging this. What do you guys think? Yeah, I am definitely digging it, you guys. I'm very curious to see how this lasts. For sure. I mean, according to this, it should last me a couple weeks. I just realized I probably should have read the warnings before I started this. Don't be like me. It says it can hold its effects for 4 to 6 weeks, and I would be down to like apply this like once a month. Sure. I'm just curious what they look like with some brow gel on them. Because I mean, we're here. I want to see this moment and its full potential. But I mean, like, the whole point of me doing this was like so I wouldn't have to rely on brow gel as much. I just love like the kind of piecey look that brow gel gives me. Holy bushy. Very bushy. This is the finished product of the brows. Oh, I should read you the warnings. Warning, keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool and dry place away from direct sunlight. Do not use if eyelashes are weak or brittle. I use it on my brows. I think my brow hairs are pretty strong. They're pretty strong. They're there. They're nice, fine hairs, just like the hair on my head. We're nice and fine here. Wash eyes with water or saline solution if solution accidentally touches the eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear, and consult with a physician if an allergic reaction occurs. Good advice. I really like it. I like it combined with the microblading as well because it just kind of gives it that like 3D-esque look that I was going for. So I'm all about it. Here for it. I'm living for it. So what are your guys' opinions on brow lamination? Do you think it's something that like you're into? Are you into this look? Or do you just want to keep like with the classic brow look? I'm okay with it. I've been doing like the same thing with my brows for a while, so I'm okay to be doing something different. So yeah, if you guys liked this video of me testing out something like this, it's a little different than my norm, go ahead and give this video a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I'd love to talk to you guys. Join the Allie Ann clan and subscribe to my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.